In this Sailing Doodles, we continue to explore the island of Corsica and check out all the history there. Corsica is a beautiful French island just north of Sardinia. The Bay of Rondinara was so beautiful, we decided to spend a few days there, so we went ashore and checked out the beach and the restaurants. It really was some of the most beautiful water I've ever seen.
Here's to drinking alcohol, a half a liter
at a time. There you go.
Cheers!
Drinking doodles.
There you go.
There you go.
All right, what's the plan today, Steve?
Oh, the plan is to go sailing, Bobby.
All right.
Do what this boat does best.
Sails. There
Do
we
some
go.
sailing. We're going to sail from this little bay, I have no idea what the name is, up to Porto Vecchio, which
Okay.
is the third largest city on the island of Corsica.
Okay.
Beautiful city, has an old castle, as most of them do. Nice marina. Hang out for a day.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
We need provision stuff too, right? Yeah.
More coffee for
More
sure.
coffee. There you go.
It still makes me nervous working with hands and feet that close to the windlass.
Stop.
Yeah.
It was a short sail up the coast to Porto Vecchio.
Woo! Hi, Bobby.
Loretta's excited to sail today. What are we doing today, Loretta?
We're sailing!
She's a cute captain.
As Luik says, Laura's going to handle the sheet.
Here's,
His sheet.
Take your index finger, this is training.
Sorry for my pronunciation. I'm French, so can't blame me.
It's all, you're in control here, Laura.
All right.
Let's not break anything. All right, Captain.
She's always in control.
I push your buttons too, baby.
Oh yeah, you do. That's right. Push my
Stop.
buttons.
Come over here.
Let's focus on sailing right now.
Okay.
There's plenty of time for fun.
Are we ready?
I think we're ready, yeah.
All right. Go. It's all you. What's going on up there? What you doing? It's all you. You gotta love this boat.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Come on, where's the wind?
There you go. There you go. There you go.
Woo! So nice. With the sun in the background and everything.
And the main facing us, you know where we are.
Oh boy.
You did a fine job. Your fingers well trained.
So pretty.
Yeah.
Yes, we
How
are.
fast we going?
Well, we got 5 knots now and 13 knots, but we just filled the sail. It will pick up, and we're pretty dead downwind.
Yeah.
We're at 170 true, so we're pretty deep. So we can do half the wind speed.
Yeah.
Happy with that.
Yep. Looking good.
Yeah, we're get up to speed.
The beam of the boat makes it really easy to jibe the spinnaker. As the wind eased even more, we lowered the main to let the spinnaker fill all the way. And when the wind died even more, we just furled the spinnaker.
How well does that furl like when it's under load?
Great, we've furled it in 20 knots.
Really?
Fills right up, that's what's nice about it.
Yeah.
Normally just two of us. I can put the furling line on a drum. She can manage the sheet, comes right in.
Yeah. Yeah, because pulling a sock down when it's really loaded can be hard.
Yeah, it'll lift you off the ground. I've seen that happen to myself.
Yeah.
Yeah, for an asymmetrical spinnaker, this is one of the best solutions, I think, for shorthanded.
Absolutely. Absolutely, that's the way to do it.
In the marina, it was med mooring and the sand lines attached to the bow cleat.
You get a little messy handling these sand lines. All right, Louis, this is called a passerelle.
Yes.
I'm sure no one's ever fallen off one of these.
Huh? No one's ever so.
No, I said no one's ever fallen off
Pretty
one of
much
these.
daily.
No, not at all.
Daily.
It's really stable.
Well, until you add alcohol, then it's not so stable.
We rigged up this really cool system.
You can pull it up and down?
Yeah, it's like a drawbridge. It also keeps it from moving around. It doesn't support your weight. It needs to rest on the
Right.
dock, but it manages it.
Yeah.
Without it, it just bangs all night.
Right. Well, you can just pull it up when you're done, right? When you're on the boat.
Yeah, on the boat at night. Well, we can't pull it up when we go to town.
Right.
But on the boat at night, we can pull it up.
It's just added safety, plus it doesn't bang on the dock all night.
Exactly.
We cheated death again.
Oh, we sailed at like 2 knots all the way here.
I know, right?
Med-style morning like bosses.
We did it
That
good.
was awesome.
We did it good.
Yeah.
8 knots across breeze. Good training practice for us all.
Yeah, there you go. All right, Captain Steve, where are we?
We're in Porto Vecchio,
Porto Vecchio,
Corsica.
Corsica.
Having sailed here from another spot on Corsica that I don't remember the name of.
Well, let's go explore
Let's go
Porto
explore.
Vecchio.
All right.
This is a tender that probably cost $100,000.
Badass.
So what do you guys all think of Porto Vecchio?
Great so far.
Great place for a glass of wine.
So far, so great.
So far, so good. All right.
So
there
far,
you
so
go.
good. Cheers.
Steve, you were saying that that was the marsh. That's why this place was unsettleable for a
This
long
whole
time.
area had a lot of marshland and so malaria. And every time Genoa sent people here to settle it, they'd all die. So finally they drained the marshes, malaria was no longer a threat. Porto Vecchio, the other city.
Yeah. Well, and it's what, malaria's killed more people than anything else, basically.
Did you say that? Is this drinking doodles?
It is drinking doodles.
That could be a channel.
That is a channel. There we go. Cheers, guys.
Drinking doodles.
It's pretty cool stuff. It's Porto Vecchio.
Porto Vecchio.
Porto Vecchio.
Look at this location. This is great. That's really good.
All right, where are you kids going?
Babe, we have to get you more Captain's Nectar.
That'd be beer. So they brought their own little strollers. They have beer strollers and food strollers.
We're walking the plank for some rum.
Walk the plank for some rum. But why the rum? All right, guys, have fun.
Bye. Bye, babe. Bye, babe.
Have
Why
fun
don't you
storming
say
the
bye,
castle.
babies, to us?
Oh.
I was really surprised by how affordable cruising in the Med was. Groceries weren't all that expensive, and restaurants were actually cheaper than their counterparts would be in the United States.
Did you buy the whole store?
You're the cutest provisioners ever.
You don't even know. We got hit on so bad.
I bet
We
you-
got a 3-minute walk. We're getting whistles, honks,
Yeah.
crosswalks. We're like,
Corsican dudes.
A Corsican man gave us a magic show in the grocery aisle. I was like, okay, merci, okay, that's great.
Did you speak English?
No.
How about arrivederci?
He's all, oh, merci.
Be sure to tune in next week as we explore the French beaches.